Good day, everyone. I am Anadela Marie Durola, and I am the group leader of Group 6. And today, we will be reporting about wind energy. What is wind energy? Wind energy refers to the process of harnessing the kinetic energy of wind to generate electricity or mechanical power. This is typically achieved using wind turbines, which convert the energy of the wind into rotational motion, which can then be used to generate electricity through a generator. Wind energy is a renewable and sustainable form of energy, as wind is abundant and constantly replenished by natural processes.
So, where does wind energy comes from? Wind energy comes from the kinetic energy of the wind, which is generated by the movement of air in the Earth's atmosphere. The Earth's rotation and the Sun's uneven heating of the planet's surface are the main causes of this movement. Wind is produced when heated air arises to the surface of the earth and is replaced by the cooler air as a result of the sun's uneven heating of the planet's surface. To further aid in the circulation of air, variations in wind patterns are caused by the earth's rotation. By allowing their blades to rotate, wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of the wind and transform it into electrical energy, which powers a generator.
It is believed that Professor James Blythe made this groundbreaking discovery in 1887. A year later, wind energy made it to the United States as Ohio inventor Charles Brush created a wind turbine to provide electricity for his mansion. Since then, we have been developing wind turbines both onshores and offshores, which has created an energy source that is much safer and environmentally friendly than its predecessors.
Wind energy has been used for thousands of years in ancient civilizations such as Persia and China. In Persia, windmills were used in the 7th century AD for grinding grain and pumping water, while China, wind energy was harnessed during the Song dynasty around 1200 AD. These early windmills had vertical axis and horizontal axis designs, respectively. However, it's important to note that these early uses of wind energy were mainly mechanical and served local needs. The large scale generation of electricity from wind energy began in the late 19th century with the development of electricity generation electricity generating wind turbine. The first electricity producing wind turbine was built in 1887 by Charles F. Bush in Cleveland, Ohio, United States.
The mechanism behind wind energy is harnessed through wind turbines, which have blades designed to capture the kinetic energy of the wind. As the wind blows, the blades rotate and their motion is transferred to a generator through a rotor and nozzle. The generator converts the rotational energy into electrical energy, which is then transmitted through power cables and connected to the electrical grid. This enabled the widespread distribution of clean, renewable electricity to consumers, reducing reliance on conventional power plants and contributing to a more sustainable energy future.
Are there any wind energy in the Philippines? Yes, there are wind farms in the Philippines with a total installed capacity of 443 megawatts as of 2020. The largest onshore wind farm in the country is the Burgos Wind Farm in Ilocos Norte, which has a capacity of 150 megawatts. Other major onshore wind farms in the Philippines include the Paris-Parisan Wind Farm, 81 megawatts in Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. The Pililla Wind Farm, 54 megawatts in Rizal, and the San Lorenzo Wind Farm, 54 megawatts in Guimaras. The Philippines has great potential for offshore wind energy generation with a technical offshore wind potential of 178 gigawatts, about half of it based on good wind speed about 8 ms. However, there are no commercial scale offshore wind energy projects in the Philippines country yet. The government has awarded several wind energy service contracts for offshore wind energy projects such as Yochenko Group's Petro Energy Resources Corp.